Today we're going to be discussing 61114, which, not surprisingly perhaps, is essentially a modification of 61113, Atorora plutata plute, which we have recently discussed at some length. So, and this is 61114, 166 in Siddhanta Kaumadi. Hashicha, Hashicha. Hashi-cha, hashi-cha. And as we've learned so much about the syntax and vocabulary of the grammar, we can imagine that hashi, the saptami of hash, carries the meaning of when hash follows cha. So also when hash follows cha, being an amendment of atorora plutata plute. So the anuvritti here is atorora plutat uhu, and the full sutra is aplutat ataharoho uhu hashicha, uhu hashicha. So also when a hush follows, in place of the preceding ru, which follows a short non-pluta a, u comes. Also meaning, instead of being followed by another short non-pluta a, this time the ru is followed by hush. So what is this hush? Well, we'll come back to that in a minute, but first we can discuss an example. So if we take Shivas as we did before, but instead of following it with a vowel, we will take Shivas Vandyaha. Shivas Vandyaha. Now by Sasaju Shoruhu, we get Shivar Vandyaha. And the key point here is that is not just any it's ru. It's ru. So that gives us Shivar Vandyaha. And by the current sutra, this is a ru followed by hush because v is a hush. Therefore, the of Shivar is now replaced by u, and we get Shiva plus u, or Shivo Vandyaha by Adgunaha, worthy of praise. Now we might ask, why does this have to be ru instead of just an ordinary And the reason is that there are other situations that are similar but different, because the final preceding either the vowel or the hush is not ru. So in pratar atra, we get prataratra, and also in daughter plus gancha, we get tatargacha. And that's because this R is part of the form, and not an addition. It's derived from the base. So there you go. It's not that complicated, given how much time we put into the Atorora plutata plute. But just for practice, we might go back to refreshing our memory about hush. Well, what is hush? Adirantyena sahita. It's a pratyahara. Adirantyena sahita. So the beginning and the end, hush, ha, hayavarat, lan, nyamangananam, chabangi, kartadash, jabagardadash. Hayavarat, lan, nyamangananam, chabangi, kartadash, jabagardadash. That's hush. So when any of those follow, ru, which is preceded by a short non-pluta a, u will come.